Good evening, Nicholas. Good evening, all. Thank you for joining my stream. It was a fairly bullish day today at Wall Street. So, this is like the first bar, and at 9:30 it started climbing and it went all the way until 10:45. Then it stabilized in this area. This is ES before selling off some, right? So overall, I think market is trying to be stabilizing, and it's no longer the bullish market that we were seeing a while ago. I mean, if we go to like a 60-minute chart, that's like a all-time high for ES futures, and we are here. I would say it's still bullish, but not as crazy as it used to be. Every day it used to be like 1%, 2% of gains in the end. So, just an update. Yesterday, if you had streamed, I took one trade on two NQ contracts and made like $980, $920. And I did some scalping, some trades today during the day, and I achieved my target of 4,300. Right now, my account sits at 79,436, which is $30 over the target. However, unlike Top Step Trader, I cannot stay flat. I have to maintain the consistency. That's one of the rules uh, for Earn to Trade. So I will be uh, trying to make profit for next 12 days, somewhere around $500 to $600, and I should be good at the end of my 15-day trial, as long as I don't break any rules. So my draw down also stopped because I am well over $2,750. That's when the drawdown stops at $75,000. That will be the initial investment for Helios, which usually funds the traders who pass the gauntlet. So this is NQ's 1000 tick chart. Let's see what the 15-minute chart is saying. I feel like shorting NQ, and I will give my reasoning. So it started selling off here, right? So if we do a, hold on, if we do oh if we do a fib retracement over here, we are right at 61, and I think this is a good shorting opportunity. So I'm going to do sell limit at 2080. I'm going to give it a little breathing room, and I'm going to move one of my target down below, and I don't like to see the points. I like to see the currency. Let's see if I can get it done quickly, right? Like yesterday. Nobody wants to hang around in the uh, sim account, right? Especially I have achieved the target. Hey Brian, welcome to the stream. Yes, today was a good day. I already am over 4,300. So I don't know if you joined yesterday or not, but I took a trade here while I was live for two NQ contracts and made like $920. It was pretty sweet. So um, I saw this as a good opportunity. This is like a 61% retracement from this sell-off that happened, and it is also the upper end of the Bollinger Band. So decided to take a short here to see if it works out. I'll move my first target also. Oops, my order got cancelled. That is crazy. I didn't like that at all. So I'm going to do one thing. I'm going to put one buy because my order got cancelled accidentally. I was not meant to do that. So let's see. I'm short 2 at 81.25 NQ, and I'm going to cover one at VWAP, which is 11,265. The evening session just started, so it is going to be little slow. There is a chance it can go all the way up to here. So let's see. Let's see if I'll be lucky enough to make it a good trade right away. Yeah, my stop is little deep. I'm going to close my position even before it hits that level. Probably if it breaks 287, then I will close my position, but let's see. Awesome. I will check it, Brian. So yeah, there are a lot of discussions that are happening in the social media about how the founder has been charged with fraud. Um, I mean, yeah, if there was fraud, then yeah, he should be brought to justice. But even though he was a co-founder of Earn to Trade, right now he has nothing to do with Earn to Trade, and he doesn't even have ownership interest because they he sold that whatever stake he had a long time back. Um, so stay tuned with my channel, and I will tell you firsthand what happens to my account. Will I get funded at the end of 15 days, and will I make money? Hey, Dilji, David, thank you for joining. Thank you. Thank you for the congratulations. So, today I am short, David. Right, that is correct. So, David, I took a short at 81, around 81, and oh, so it's around 61% retracement. So, I am seeing if I can make some good trade right off the batch. You know what? I should not be greedy. I should take one off little early. Yeah, so I mean, I was telling earlier, like the rule with earn to trade is you have to be consistent. So I have to make profit like almost every day, um, s- so that my overall profit average should not be more than 30%. Right now I'm at 50% because I achieved my target in 3 days, 3 trading days. So yeah, I mean overall my profit will go up even more, so that I bring that consistency level of profit down below 30%, and which will happen eventually, you know. Cool, Brian. We will do the journey together if I don't screw up. I have a history of screwing up when I am in good position, but definitely with me changing the platform, I had become more disciplined and a better trader. So I'm keeping my fingers crossed. Cool. I wonder if I give them $1,000 days for first 10 days, will they promote me to funded trader? No harm in asking, right? We'll see. Yeah, you'll be fine, Brian. Okay, I'm not liking this second bar making a bullish new high. High is 82.50. I'm not liking this at all. 617. Yep, new high. I would love if it stays below 90. Good luck, David. That's really cool. I'm not liking this trade anymore. 90. It should stay below 90. All right. It's too much heat. Uh, so one bracket order got cancelled and how it messes up things, right? Otherwise, that would have gotten filled up if it was not cancelled. I had to enter it manually, and now I am wondering what to do. 92. I'm going to bring my stop down below. Okay. Market does humble you sometime. So that was a big drawdown, 670. What was the high? 97. That's where I got filled. But let's wait and see what happens here at 304. Yeah, so the reason I took short was I was calculating the, yeah. So now because it crossed the 61% retracement, I think it has become bullish. Should not short it anymore. Maybe I should do like quick scalps and try to reduce my loss. Right now it stands at 670. Okay. So my max loss can be 1750. That's one good thing about Earn to Trade. With Top Steps 50K account, it's 1000, and I'm essentially done for today's trading. Hmm. 9475. Try to do like a quick scalp here on ES. If both markets are going positive or being bullish, so this has yet to reach the 50%. So Idilji, the other day after I made some $380 on one NQ contract, the market did turn around. So that's the beauty of this market. Even I was right and you were right. I don't know if you remember or not. All right, so I'm going to stop trading if I reach $900 in loss. So I have $300 more to lose. Nasdaq is at 11,296. Is it going without taking me? Nothing is happening here. Market is stalled. Thank you for liking my stream. And also, we have new subscribers. So awesome. Thank you for joining. And if you have not subscribed, please do so. So that you can join this channel every day when I go live, and you will know whether earn to trade is a real deal or not at the end, right? When, if and when I get funded and I continue to stream live. All right, I think we are at the bottom of the hour. I don't feel like staying in this trade anymore. Or maybe I will bring it 2 ticks down. That's like $50 for 2 contracts. So David, just keep one thing in mind, their drawdown is dynamic until you reach 70 um, 2,750. That's the maximum drawdown. So until you reach $2,750 in profit, the drawdown is dynamic. So even intraday, and even if you are in the middle of a trade, that was kind of weird. But the customer service said you have to always keep an eye on your max drawdown, because that's what bit me once I had to do the reset. Wish I was in this trade. Let's see how metals are doing. It's kind of bullish and trying to retrace this small sell-offs from 11. Looks like everything was same. NQ from 11ish, ES and gold. That's what they said, man, when I was chatting with them in the customer service. It's kind of weird. I think you just need to make sure you start on the right foot, you know, and like lock in your profit the minute you see some. Um, you may want to, before opening the account, you may want to ask them that particular rule. I don't think anything is going to happen until 7 Eastern time, top of the hour. So this is our Discord server invite. I don't know if you all have subscribed, but I do post it over there also before I go live. So if you want, you can subscribe. It's all free, and it will be staying free. We just want to create a community where we all can discuss different options, like the current news with earn to trade, right? Like we want to make sure we are investing wisely. So it's to raise the awareness among the traders. Don't feel like staying in this trade anymore. We'll wait for another opportunity. This is gold. Range is 65 to 66. Hmm. I'm going to trade gold on 2 contracts for sure. VWAP. New high on NQ and ES. Can 11,300 keep a lid? Nope, it just zoom pass and then turn around at 304. Let's see. Alright, trying another shot on NQ at deviation 1 from VWAP, and it did not fill me. Move my stop above the new high at 305 once it's created. We are approaching the top of the hour in 9 minutes.
Order filled.
Yep. Hey, Revan, thank you for joining. We'll see what happens now. Maybe it will be a short losing session today, unlike yesterday where it was a short winning session. As I mentioned, I took a two contract NQ trade and I'm down 670, and I will be stopping at $900. You think so? No, it's 15 minutes, so you may not see that much difference. It's moving. Yeah, so it's here, right? 11 to 99. It's moving. I mean, if we change it to 5 minutes, we can see it. So this is my stop at 3045. All right. 5 more minutes for the top of the hour. I wanted it to trade under 300. Yeah, maybe. I hear you. You're seeing this trend line, right? So maybe it will. Yeah, you'll see. Looks like it wants me to stop out. Let's see. Double top here at 301. I'm hoping that it does a VWAP test over here at 287. But let's see if it's able to break 295. Or it takes me out here. We will know soon. A minute and 16 seconds for 7 o'clock Eastern Time. So this is 6 NQ points is $120 risk. Good evening, Mr. Singh. How are you? Thank you for joining the stream. Buyers at 11 to 99, 40 contracts. So nothing major happening at top of the hour. All right, so it did gulp that liquidity at on the buy side. Let's see what happens next. As expected, it touched it and it did break down below. David, you put that in my mind. I feel like getting out of this trade. I think it did break it, right? Let's see what it does to 94 and then I will decide. Maybe be ready to pull the trigger, but I think I'm good for now. 93, okay. The question is maybe I can bring my stop here now. I mean, stop at 302.50 because we have this almost triple top and move target little above. So if it breaks 90, I'll bring my stop to break even. $96.25. I'm going to move this with the to coincide with the middle Bollinger Band. Doesn't look good. Yeah. Did you get filled? Oh, okay. I'll follow you and bring my stop to break even plus 2 or 3. I also post my go live on Facebook group uh, named $ES underscore F and all that wording S&P 500 futures trading. So you can join the group as well. A lot of useful information that comes on the group. So we really like it there. Right, Raven? Thank you. Likewise. Same here. Looks like you are, yeah, yeah, you got filled. Let's see if I can get some 20, $30 extra. Ooh. It did reach the VWAP. It's okay. So down 500. Yeah, good trade. Market wants to go higher, it seems. But see how this Bollinger Band are engulfing. Maybe we can go another short once it reaches here. Yeah, let's look at other markets. Gold is not moving at all whatsoever. ES and Nasdaq are just following each other, I believe. Um, so I go to indicators. So VWAP, I think there was some minute setting that yeah, it is oh, 5 minutes VWAP, and these are the deviations, standard deviation 2, 3, um, on both the sides of VWAP. So I had seen the market respects these deviations, and this is the actual VWAP line. No, it came with the setting. So I did nothing. I just added the order flow VWAP. Where is it? Uh, this one, and it had all of this. I do miss volume profile, but we have so many indicators already. Don't want to confuse even further. You want to take a long Raymond from here? I'm so tempted to go long from here. So it started here, right? Let me do a quick fib. Fed. No, it can drop to 284. So no, let's wait and watch. Hey Gadeje, welcome to the stream. You are long from where? You are always long. Oh, cool. Yeah. That was a nice counter trend countered to us. So we were lucky to get out of it. Yeah, but I did move my order to 91 and change, I believe, because I was worried about this middle Bollinger Band creeping up. So I didn't want to like not get filled. Let's see if it comes to 84 and then where is 84 here? Then we can think of going long. That's like a 50% retracement between the high and the low for this session. All right. Is there a chance to enter this market on the long side? Let me check one more time. 84.79. All right, I'm going to put a order at 82 and then I'm going to see if I can move my stop right below the 61% retracement. If I get filled, 6 points away from where NQ is right now. Oh, one long at VWAP for ES if it gets filled. Yeah, that is this, right? 79.52, and that's also 61% retracement. So that will act as a support. Hence, I put the order at 82. Oh, you mean okay. Yeah, so that's like the second standard deviation. Oh, okay. This one you're talking. Yep. Let's see if 82 gets filled in. No, no, I was trading NQ as well. I just put a order for ES. See here, this is NQ and this is ES. You're good, Gadeje. 8 minutes for the bottom of the hour. I don't like how it is forming this base, and if it is broken, that buy order will not look good. Oh well, we have to keep trying. If we don't take risk, then there won't be any reward. So yeah, but it didn't touch it yet, right? 84.21 is the level, so it has not touched it yet. I think one thing I learned from today's trading is I was in market little early, so I should not have started with two contracts. I should have started with one. Yesterday, two contracts made sense because there was lot of energy in the market, and uh, I was feeling very confident about the movement yesterday because all the markets opened like half a percent above the previous close, right? So yesterday it made sense. Today, uh, it I should have stick to one entry, but it's usually what you did your previous day of trading. It stays in your mind, and hence didn't work in my favor. So a point to note down is, oh, look at that. This is not going to get filled now. What is ES doing? Maybe ES gets filled in. Ooh, Is it going to sell off, man? This is going to start changing the direction. So I got filled at 82. I'm not liking this movement. It did bounce from 61%. So the stop was at good location. ES also got filled in. Hmm. Let's move this baby over here. Let's see what ES is doing. So I'll keep watch. Oh, ES is here too, right? So let's get out of here. Do a scalp on ES and then let's see. It was precise, right? Like the stop was precise. Let's see. Let's see. Finally, Gadeja and I are on the same side of the market. 2 minutes for the bottom of the hour. Yeah, we'll see what happens at 88. It needs to break 88 first. Stop filled on both the sides, I believe. 50 here, 0 there. A minute for the bottom of hour. I don't like ES going crazy like that. Yep, from 77 to 4 points. All right. Oh, this is the tick chart, that's why. All right. NQ looks good. Let's see what happens at 87.25. It's not real money, Gadeje. We are working towards getting funded, and then we can say we can show the money back, right? Not in the SIM account. You know what? I'm getting out of at VWAP. Not feeling good about these trades. Yep. I mean, all right. So I'm out for some change. I think this market is going to go south, and I need to figure out how to get out of ES as well. I was lucky not to get stopped out of NQ over here, if you see. And I don't like how the Bollinger Bands have changed its direction. I don't like that at all. Yeah, actually, I did do a spread on Amazon in my personal account and made like $110. I was I was in the put spread, which was 31.60, 31.40. Got in at like $10 and sold some $11 something. Yeah, I think this market with the 8 o'clock energy is going to sell off, I guess. All the money I made in other trades, ES is taking it away. Glad out of here, and I think I should just yank it. I want to see what happens at 72.25, right? Wow, that's a big level. So if it breaks that, then we should see a good sell off all the way to 58 in the overnight session. Yeah, so usually I do go for longer trades, but then my first trade was not profitable, and that's when I turned to scalping and try to bring my account into green. If you see what I'm trying to do here, it's like, It went all the way and now it's selling off. Okay. So I sold it for a loss because I feel this market is about to be going in red. Um, Down. All right, it's already broken the 61% retracement, so I'm glad what I did was right. $64. Hmm. So yes, it's just below the midpoint at 73.25. Nasdaq is selling off. And so is ES. Let's see if it makes a new session low. So Raven, our first NQ short was awesome at 299. We should have just stayed in that. How much is it right now? NQ 71. Holy mother. It's going to make a new low now. New low is right around the corner. I know, right? Look at me. I'm going short two contracts on ES. So one I will go on 72 and the other one at 73. And my stop will be above this bar. Yep. I mean, I agree. All right. Not going to be too greedy. If it fills me at 33.60, I would be happy. All right, my stop is going to be 75.25. 12 minutes for the top of the hour. I think they will make a new low, right? This is going to be a stopping point, 33.69.75, because this was the ETA session open. All right, it's trying to come back up. It's going to fill me on my second ES trade. All right, just stay with one contract. I'm already in red. Try to keep your risk low. Okay, so go to 74.25 and then sell off. Okay, so that is the VWAP test you are talking about. The Aaron indicator is saying it's sideways market. So if it is sideways, It should stay in this area. Let's see what happens at 3370. So, Raven, is Renko something like a range chart? Um, I mean, I tried to play with it once and I didn't get it. So that number two can be configured. I see it. Thank you. Yeah, it was set to 2. Brick size 2. The Should I try to stay in this trade? Man, hold on 1 second. It's trying to get me out. Let's see. Um, it's already broken the VMA. Hmm. All right, let's see. I'm not worried about that. Strategies, data series. So phew. I was going to remove this indicators, right? If we are doing, hmm. So the moving averages that we have to add, that is where you said something about WMA, right? Yeah, so I am like 6, 18 ticks, right? 18 ticks. So where do I find the weighted moving averages in the indicators? All right, I'm done for that trade. All right, time to change the heading. Uh, See the change in slope. So WMA 35. And so does it look like you're setting Raven now? Now to okay, glad you told me. All right. So question. Now the the direction has changed, right? So to go long, are you saying you need to come back over here and then start going up? Then it will confirm the. Oh, the Facebook group, Gadeje. Um, that's the name. No, no. I mean, Raven, are you on our Discord channel? Feel free to join. So if Aaron indicators are saying market is going to be sideways, it should start selling off in this box, right? At 77. That's the high for the day. I don't know what's going on. Let me know if that works. Well, we do try to calculate the Fibonacci retracements and see if the 50% and 61% hold. And if they don't, then we try to go in the direction. It's in the description of the video, Raven. Can't you just click on it? It's Trade AV, TRADAVE. So, Raven, do you keep the two Renko even during the day? Like, is this the standard setting all the time? Okay. Hammer. Thank you. Let's see. Good AJ. Yeah, they're very strict. All the time, Max, all the time. I'm having a bad evening. I mean, I had achieved my target earlier, but now I am down like 7:30. I think I'm done for tonight. If it stops me out, I'm done. I will be I'll be at 78 for 41. So 1,000 points, $1,000 away from my target. Oh, congratulations, Max. Yeah, be careful. Do what you did in your combines, and maybe try to go with one contract instead of two, and try to go for longer targets. Try to become safe quickly. Oh, oh man. See, that's what Top Step likes, right? Now you have to do the another combine. At least you in stage two then? Oh man, this is just chopping on both the sides. Yeah, today somebody posted that he was going well in his second stage, but then he traded more than two micro contracts. Yeah, I don't think Top Step will let him trade now. He has to go back to square one, or like at the beginning of the step. But Raymond, even if the actions are unclear, look at this. The deviations. It is going from one deviation to the other. It's- So if you really trust them, then I mean, I think I'm done for tonight. It's 15 past 8 Eastern time. How much it went? 70. Did it stop me out and then? No, I did close that order. Hmm. So as that's tomorrow. Yeah. No, that's on Wednesday, right? Wednesday at 2 Eastern, 3 Central. Yeah. So we will be 2 days away, right? Tomorrow is Tuesday. Yeah. Our life starts on Sunday evening. Yeah. I really don't know what to do. Should I stop or should I take one more trade? Yeah, this is NQ, right? I wanted to do some scalping on NQ. Um, it it went little over this deviation, so I wanted to see if it goes back to VWAP. All right, out of here. Oh, that's a big sell-off. I know, right? Yeah. I will always have stop. And plus I have my finger on the trigger too sometimes if stops don't get filled. Wow. Doesn't want to stop now. See, that's why I like to trade the 15 minute, right? Like, let's see the picture when it was 15 minutes. Yeah, so some of the uh, I would say bounciness goes away in the 15-minute charts. Like you see one up, one down. We could have gotten short here at VWAP. It's a 10-point heat, and then we would have been fine. All right, lesson learned. Let's see, where is my account at? Yeah, that's it. I'm done for day. Already 125 over the limit. Don't want to go back to resetting it. I'm in good shape. 4 days and $1,050 away from my target. All right, guys, it was fun. So I'll try to study this Renko setting. Hopefully, will teach me something. You too. Good night, everyone. Talk to you later.